Hi, I'm Andy Dunbobbin, Police and Crime Commissioner for North Wales. We're here now relaunching the Innovate to Grow Fund. It's been going on now for quite a number of years, but it's been redeveloped and relaunched to make it far easier for you to apply for funding from my office. Now, what we'd like to see is quite a number of innovative, creative ideas that will help reduce crime and prevent anything from happening in the future. Some diversionary schemes as well, things of that nature, which has a real impact on our communities and community-led. We would love to hear from you. The launch of this, it'll be the 1st of April. As I said, up to £100,000 is being made available. So that'll mean for each local authority area, you may have an idea of that you want to put forward. That would be available. You'll be able to apply for about £5,000 for that. If you want to go bigger and bolder, which I'd love to see, you can go for up to £10,000 for more than one local authority area. So if you're going to do something for Flintshire and Wrexham, you can go for £10,000 there. If you wanted to go Flintshire, Wrexham and Denbighshire, you could go up to £10,000 there. If you wanted to go for Gwynedd and Conway, £10,000 there, and so on. Since its launch in 2022, the Innovate to Grow Fund has supported a wide range of impactful projects across North Wales. We've seen youth diversionary activities, local youth clubs and community groups, early intervention initiatives, as well as specialist support for victims of violence against women and girls. These projects have shown how small, targeted investments can lead to meaningful change. Their success is exactly why this scheme exists and why we want to encourage more creative ideas from across our communities. This year, we're doing something different, and you can apply for Innovate to Grow at the 3 points during the year, as opposed to only one submission previously explained, making it even easier for you to apply. The first phase will launch on the 1st of April and run until the 7th of May. To apply, we encourage you to visit our webpage to find out if you're eligible for funding. I'm proud to relaunch this scheme because it puts innovation and community voices at the heart of policing and safety in North Wales. If you have an idea that could make a difference, no matter how big or how small, please contact our commissioning team. We would love to hear from you, and there's no such thing as a bad idea in my book. Together, we can make a real difference across North Wales. Diolch yn fawr. Thank you.